How does super interacts with a class's _row attribute in multiple inheritance? Today, I read the official doc of super, in which it mentioned multiple inheritance will be decided by the _row attribute of a class. So I did a bit experiment, but its result surprised me. Below is part of the official doc I mentioned above. It says, by combining this doc and the result of my experiment, the most confusing part is that when calling with super grandfather s.p it calls the p of mother, but mother isn't in grandfather's _row_, and it is on very inferior order of sons _row_. After a bit pondering, I got a plausible explanation which indicate the incompleteness or deficiency of the official doc. That is, when using with supertype instance, the super function will search from the _row_ attribute of the class from who your instance is built, but not the _row_ attribute of the type you pass to super, even if it satisfied the instance type condition. So what happened when you typed superclass instance is Python check if instance class is true, Python find the _class attribute of instance. Get the instance._class s_row_ attribute. Python find the index of class you pass to super in the _row_ tuple in step 2. Python add the index of step 3 by 1. Use it to get the corresponding class in _row_ tuple of step 2, and return the super delegate of this corresponding class. If the index in step 4 exceed length of _row_ of step 2, the delegate of last class in _row_ of step 2 is returned, which is the object class. Is my understanding right? If I'm wrong, what's the correct mechanism that super interacts with types _row_? If I'm right, how should I raise an issue for Python official doc modification? Because I think the current version about this item could be misleading. PS. This test was done by Python 2.7.6 within IPython 3.2.1.
Look at the _row_ of son. According to the doc, the _row_ attribute of the type lists the method resolution search order. So methods will be searched according to the order in the _row_ list, from left to right. Call of supertype instance will change the starting position to the type specified as the first argument of super in the _row_ list of the class of the instance specified as the second argument, if the second argument passed to super is an instance. Superson s will proxy to _main_.father. Superfather s will proxy to _main_.grandfather. Supergrandfather s will proxy to _main_.mother. supermother, s, will proxy to object. The interesting part is why underscore mro underscore of son is like it is. In other words, why mother is after grandfather. This is because of how the linearization is working in Python. The linearization of C is the sum of C plus the merge of the linearizations of the parents and the list of the parents. See the examples in the documentation you mentioned, it explains a very similar case. So that final result is actually correct, super grandfather, s, dot p should be on female dot.
From Chapter 32 of Learning Python. Each supercall selects the method from a next class, following it in the row ordering of the class of the self-subject of a method call. So for super CLS instance CLS must be true. The method is selected from the next class in instance dot underscore class underscore dot underscore row underscore starting from instance dot underscore class underscore. For super CLS0, CLS1 issue class CLS1, CLS0 must be true. The method is selected from next class in CLS1 underscore row underscore starting from CLS0. In both cases, if the method is not implemented by the next class in the row chain, the search will skip ahead until it finds a class with the method defined.